Hello guys, this is Junaid and today is our first video for testing the Tori strategy, which is a very simple strategy. So the basics of this strategy is that you just take position when our trend line is broken. So this is the first part of Tori trade strategy and we are going to analyze its progress on weekly basis. So the rules are simple. You enter when a trend line is broken and then hold position as long as the trend line holds or you reach a certain target price. So our strategy is that we are going to take entry when a trend line is broken and secondly our target price will be TP will be either the trend line is broken or 5000 pips. So that will be our strategy. We are going to keep it here for the record and we are going to note down the wins and losses on weekly basis. So let's get into the strategy. Broken, and we will also note down the wins and losses in the form of pips, and we plan to share the trades taken on this strategy in real time as well from coming week. So here we can see that in this week there was a trend line which was broken on Friday and we are not going to consider the trade, but once this trend line was broken in this week we are going to consider the trade. So let's see, the trend line was broken here on let me anchor the text so that it stays here. Good. Okay, so the first trade was taken when this trend line was broken here. As you can see, the trend line was broken here, so we took a buy side trade at 2710 and its stop loss was hit at 30 pips. So our first loss was of 30 pips. Wins and sorry, I should have write loss. So the first loss was 30 pips. Okay, then again the price was closed again above the trend line here at 2708 and we again got a loss of 30 pips. So we are going to note it down. 30 plus 30. So this will give you an idea that the strategy is not that simple and you get small losses when you are in the entering phase if the price is consolidating on that trend line. Finally, we got another trade at 2712 and this trade went all the way up to our target price is 2762 5000 pips or the breaking of trend line. So here you can see that we got a win 2762 5000 pips. Won, and we are going to also mark the trade. It was a long position when this trend line was broken and this was a long position with, you can see, 5000 pips. Here we get 50 pips. Okay, now we also got another trade from this level when the trend line was tested again at 2740 and again our strategy remains the same, 5000 pips or retesting of or breaking of the trend line. So currently we went all the way up to 4400 pips, but the strategy says either close the position at 5000 pips or when this trend line is broken, or so we are going to close the position when this trend line is going to break at 2760. Even at this point we are going to have a profit of around 2000 pips. So currently we had a loss of 60 pips and we won 5000 pips, and another 4400 pips are running. Currently there is the price is at 2771, so we are having 3000 pips running. So totally we had 8000 pips running profit and 60 pips loss. That was all for this week. I will keep posting you about this strategy every week, and then we are going to start sharing the real account soon.